Hello, everyone. On Sunday, June 2nd, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang held a presentation that revealed some extremely exciting new products. This is huge news for investors in Nvidia stock. I'll explain them to you along with the potential implications for investors in Nvidia stock in the future. Let's have a look, okay? Let's go over the presentation given by the CEO of Nvidia. During his speech, Jensen Huang revealed a roadmap for new semiconductors that will be released on a yearly basis. This was one of the major revelations made by the CEO, and in my opinion, the biggest thing that came out of it all. Revealed for the first time that the Rubin platform will succeed the upcoming Blackwell platform. For those who are unaware, the Blackwell platform is still under development. Although it was announced, shipped, and prepared for, it won't actually be fully installed in servers until perhaps the third or fourth quarter of this year. As a result, Nvidia is revealing the next generation even before Blackwell is installed. This means that the Rubin platform, which will follow the Blackwell platform, will have new GPUs and an ARM-based CPU named Vera. With sophisticated networking, including NVLink 6, CX9 supremacy, and convergent InfiniBand Ethernet switch, all working together to deliver improved cutting-edge technological performance and lower total cost of ownership for platforms used by businesses, putting their services into practice. Wow, Nvidia is really innovating. The company stated that it plans to introduce next-generation technology every year. This means that, similar to Apple, Nvidia will introduce next-generation technology gradually each year in the iPhone. However, the main distinction between the two companies is that, in contrast to Apple, Nvidia will introduce new iPhones each year that have slightly improved cameras and slightly longer battery lives, somewhat better and faster charging, and perhaps a marginally better screen. In its most recent quarterly conference call, where Nvidia discussed its quarterly earnings results on May 22nd, an analyst from TD Cowen named Matthew Ramsey remarked, "I've never seen the velocity that you guys are introducing new platforms at the same combination of performance jumps that you're getting." That's really telling, because these analysts are Wall Street veterans with years, if not decades, of experience. Nvidia has been innovating at such a rapid rate that even Wall Street analysts have been impressed. Nvidia has been making leaps and bounds improvements here in the last few years, and that's before we've even seen the full implementation of Blackwell and now the next generation coming out. Interestingly, the analyst said that creates a bit of a juxtaposition where the current generation of products your customers are spending billions of dollars on are not going to be as competitive with the new stuff. And this analyst is saying, "I've never seen this type of innovation where you're making so much progress on each step. It's not like you're making a big jump and then you're just, incrementally moving forward. That's interesting, so it's depreciating much more quickly." Now, here's the crucial part for investors in Nvidia stock. Since the company is announcing these products well in advance, some enterprises may argue that, rather than purchasing what is currently available, they should wait until the next generation of technology is released and buy that instead. Nvidia have countered that argument by telling investors that's unlikely to happen because the benefits that businesses will see from current technology are so great that they won't need to wait for that next generation of technology. For example, they will immediately see an incremental gain of, say, $500. However, if they wait and acquire next-generation technology, the improvement will be gradual, say, $300. As a result, they will forfeit the $500 gain in order to receive the additional $300, or a total gain of $800 in 2 years. However, that won't be as helpful as simply purchasing what is currently available, and then when the next generation of technology becomes available in 2 years, purchasing that as well. Therefore, instead of waiting to try to get the newest generation of technology all at once, just keep purchasing more and more as the years go by, improving your technology. The CEO of Nvidia stated that faster computing is sustainable throughout the presentation. Computing is sustainable because the combination of GPUs and CPUs may provide up to a 100-fold speed increase with just a 3-fold increase in power usage. This translates to a 25-fold increase in performance per watt over CPUs alone. According to him, the more you buy, the more you save. This strategy results in significant energy and cost savings And this is especially true now that artificial intelligence has been implemented. Since energy costs are rising, the energy-saving solution by itself may be well worth the money for individuals and companies buying these next-generation innovations. This is really great news for investors in Nvidia stock. As I've said in my videos, Nvidia has been arguably 2 steps ahead of the competition. You could argue that it's 3 steps ahead, and I wouldn't argue against you. However, with the introduction of Blackwell technology and the subsequent Rubin technology, you could argue that Nvidia is even more ahead of the competition. That is, that it may be 3 steps ahead with this latest generation of technology. Given this announcement and the outlook for Nvidia's improvement, the competition may back down a little. Because it's producing previously unheard-of profit margins in this particular hardware sector, its operating profit margin has exceeded 60% in the last 12-month period. It attracts competition. However, when you announce that you're making this kind of innovation upgrade, innovation improvement, it has the unintended effect of driving away competition. Now, competitors will wonder if it's even worth trying to take a piece of this market when Nvidia is so far ahead, or if they should just back off and concede that Nvidia has won this fight, knowing that it will be fruitless. Now, a mere announcement won't cut it. The competition must witness the advancement, test it out for themselves, and conclude that, since it would take billions of dollars to catch up to their technology from 2 years ago, there's no reason we should even try it. That would be an even more significant development for Nvidia stock investors overall. Nvidia stock is still a great investment. I've listed it as one of my favorite stocks to purchase for the whole year, and I recently reaffirmed my recommendation. In light of this news, I'm even more optimistic about Nvidia stock. As we wrap up this deep dive into the massive news surrounding Nvidia stock, it's clear that this tech giant continues to redefine the landscape of the semiconductor and AI industries. Nvidia's innovative strides, strategic acquisitions, and robust financial performance make it a focal point for investors looking to tap into cutting-edge technology and exponential growth potential. The recent announcements and developments we've discussed today highlight just how pivotal Nvidia is becoming in sectors ranging from gaming to professional visualization, data centers, and beyond. Their advancements in AI and machine learning not only position them as leaders in the tech world, but also pave the way for new applications and markets. For investors, this means that Nvidia's stock isn't just about current performance, but also future potential. Understanding the implications of these latest updates can help you make more informed decisions. Whether it's their strategic partnerships, breakthrough products, or market expansion plans, each piece of news contributes to a bigger picture of Nvidia's growth trajectory. Keeping abreast of these developments ensures you're not just reacting to market movements, but strategically positioning yourself to benefit from them. As always, it's essential to consider how Nvidia fits into your overall investment strategy. Diversification, risk tolerance, and long-term goals should guide your decisions. Nvidia's stock can offer significant rewards, but as with any investment, it comes with its risks. Staying informed and continually educating yourself about market trends and company-specific news is crucial. I hope today's video has provided valuable insights into why Nvidia remains a strong contender in the tech investment space. The continuous innovation and strategic direction of the company signal promising growth prospects. For those already invested, this could mean substantial returns. For new investors, it's a compelling case to consider Nvidia as part of your portfolio. Before we close, I'd like to encourage you to engage with this content. If you found this video informative and beneficial, please hit the like button. Sharing this video with your network can help others stay informed about significant market movements and investment opportunities. Also, if you have any thoughts, questions, or experiences with Nvidia stock, feel free to share them in the comments below. Your conversations and thoughts are really beneficial to the community. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so before. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest investing tutorials, market analyses, and stock news. We strive to bring you timely, in-depth content that helps you make smarter investment decisions. Your support and engagement are what make this channel thrive and continuously improve. Thank you for watching and being a part of this investing journey. Together, we can navigate the complexities of the stock market and uncover opportunities that align with our financial goals. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll continue to explore various investment avenues, analyze market trends, and provide you with the knowledge to build a robust investment strategy. Remember, the key to successful investing lies in staying informed and making well-researched decisions. Here at Investing Tutorial, we are committed to guiding you through every step of your investment journey with the latest insights and analysis. So, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to ensure you never miss an update. Until next time, keep investing wisely, and let's look forward to a prosperous financial future together. We appreciate your ongoing support and hope to see you in the upcoming video.